Well, Cobblestone was started in 2008. It's a brand that's primarily for small town USA. We focus on towns between 5 and 10,000 people. So our average hotel size is about 40 rooms. We're kind of the only players in the new build mid-scale that would go into a community like that. So there's been phenomenal growth. We have 56 hotels open and 12 under construction. The decision to use SkyTouch was primarily brought on because we needed a system that was willing to adapt with us for that, and what we had was not going to do that.
We were watching the platform when it was released, and I was at a trade show, and I practically knocked down Nick Jones running to him out of excitement that we wanted the system. So we did it for the functionality, we did it because we love the people that we're working with, and it was really a good move on our end for our brand because of the operation side of it and how that'll help our franchisees. When Shane Platt brought up the team from SkyTouch, after they left, Brian Wogernese, our CEO of our company, had mentioned that SkyTouch really reminded him of our company on the personal touch aspect of it, because that's one of the things that we really pride ourselves on. And when we find another company that's just equally as important, it was really important to us, and it was actually one of the main decision the factors that we had in the whole process.
The decision to use SkyTouch was primarily brought on because we had a vendor that we were happy with, but our concern was the growth for the future for the brand and the franchisees. Specifically for us, looking into a frequent stayer program that we're going to be launching hopefully in the next couple years. We needed a system that was willing to adapt with us for that, and what we had was not going to do that.
We put our first SkyTouch system in last September. And once I kind of found the Ideas platform, I just blow it up almost every day. And managers do the same things too, where they say, oh, our old system had this, I wish we had that. And then they send it to them, they listen, and they actually implement it in some way, shape, or form. When you look at the openings from our previous system, where there was no option like that, to the openings, it was a struggle for the staff. So the e-learning I was ecstatic about because it's made a huge difference in just the opening portion of it. People have that pre-learning, and it's like kind of priming them to know what they're going to expect, that when I do get there and we open it, they're already 90% there.
SkyTouch has helped our growth just on the technology end, because again, when you're building in small towns, people just think you're more of a mom and pop brand, and we need to bring to the table the technology, the reservation system, and SkyTouch has been a big part of that.
For managers who maybe don't have the time or forget, it's just really, really important to us that you can set up the automatic tiers so that it's going to change on occupancy or set up alerts to notify us. So that was kind of the ceiling factor of it. SkyTouch as a partner has been really important to us because we've already built really strong relationships. It's only been a couple of months that we actually have converted the majority of our properties over to, but already we've had a really lasting impression just from the personal portion of it, but even the operations part of it, all of the things that you guys have available for us. As a company, we're looking for the next thing to evolve with, and SkyTouch was the best route for the web-based portion of it. And then the features and the growth and the changes that SkyTouch does daily, weekly, monthly, it's really important to us to just keep moving along.